the chorus of the Hebrew slaves. Okay, let's have a look at the left hand first because it is a little bit easier than the right hand. A lot of repetition there. We start in F major and we just have it arpeggiated up and down and up and down. So 5, 3, 2, and 1, coming back down the same way you came. You can use a fourth finger here or a third. It's up to you. It depends on your hand size and shape and all that, the rest of it. Make a choice and stick with it. The first bar, my pedal is down, but you can practice it without it. And the next bar, same thing. Right, so we have up and down 4 times. That amounts to the first 2 bars of this piece. Next, this is where we left off, and here we are. 5 on G, 3, 2, 1 on G up here. Same way down. When you come up again, you don't go all the way up to G, you just go up to E. Again, first finger. Let me demonstrate that one more time. We have 5, 3, 2, G. 5, 3, 2, E. That's the third bar. Moving on. 5 on A. 4, 2, 1. Back down. That just happens once, so you go 5, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4. 5, 3, 1. 5, 4, 1. Okay. All the breaks are not actually there. I'm just doing that to make it easier for you to learn. 5 on C. 3, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5. Now notice that going up is not the same as going back down. Right? So we had an F in the middle here on the way up, and a 4 on E on the way down. Okay, and that's it. That's more or less what happens in the left hand. I'll play through just the left in time without any pausing, so you can see what it sounds like. Third time, fourth time. And that's where we stopped. Okay, so have a few plays around with this left hand here. Get used to it. Get used to the notes. The rhythm is straightforward because it's just the same thing over and over again. And then we can have a look at the right hand. Now, it should be noted that what's happening in the left hand here, these are triplets. Triplets means there are 3 notes to a beat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, this is important because in the right hand, we have a lot of these little fast notes which do not coincide with any notes in the left hand because it's in simple time. We can call it sort of duple time, yeah? So let me sort of demonstrate just with the very first opening lick here. So if you notice, the G is not aligned with any note in the left hand. The A is, the F is, the G isn't. The G comes in at the end of the last figure of 3, the last triplet, comes in after the A, but before the F. So this is important because it's everywhere throughout this. So you're going to have it with different notes. It's just important to note that you're not going to have the hands play at the same time there. That's probably the most difficult thing of this piece if you're a beginner. So let's have a look at the right hand on its own, just the notes. Learn the notes first, and then we can try and figure out how to put them together. So here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 5. Moving on. 4, 2, 2, 1, 3, 5. So you'll notice now that the rhythm just changed. For these last 4 notes, this is actually a perfect triplet, and all of the notes align with the left hand. So that one should be straightforward. You just play whatever the left hand is playing in terms of rhythm. Right? So again, we have 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 5, 4, 2, 2, 1, 3, 5. Okay, take some time to learn that, rewind, play as necessary, and then come back and we're going to try and put this together. Okay, the first up and down is alone in the left hand. The next up and down, the right hand is going to come in halfway through on the top note. Right? And again, that G is in between, right? So if you want to sort of say it out loud in a way that you can make this as easy as possible, we have together, left, right, together. Okay, moving on. Up, C. That's together. And again, we have this in-between note. So from here, together, left, right, together. Together, left, right, together. And now these notes are perfectly aligned with the left hand. Let's stop there. Okay, so one more time. From the top, we have 1, swell, which is alone, halfway through, together, left, right, together, together, left, right, together, together, left, right, together, 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 together. And this is where we'll stop. Okay? You can have a look at the rest of this piece on our website, but otherwise, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.